Hi, it's been about 2 hours since C6, C7 disc replacement by Dr. Brusovanik. As you can tell, I'm walking around, moving around. I just had a full, nice salmon meal. And 2 hours post, I have no symptoms, no soreness, maybe just a little soreness from the intubation of swallowing, but no tingling, no numbness. Even the swelling in the back of my neck has gone down. I haven't tested it out, but I'm pretty sure I have full range of motion in my neck. Long story short, how this happened: 4 or 5 years of numbness, sore neck, tingling. Even at times it felt like I had a rotator cuff injury from the burning. I waited about 4 or 5 years until I found Dr. Brusovanik, who does a full disc replacement, and he comes in anteriorly. So this really negates a lot of the recovery, as you can tell. And during, absolutely amazing. I got prepped for surgery, and a couple hours later I woke up and here I am with no difficulty. I'd highly encourage you, if you're having these symptoms and struggling through this, to get it done. I'm an occupational therapist. I've treated the other side of these surgeries from many, many doctors, many different ways of them doing it, from fusions. People had to use neck braces, not being able to carry anything. But as you can tell, 2 hours post-surgery, no symptoms, walking around, no restrictions on my neck, on my arms. And if you decide to do this when you're working, I should be back to working in about a week or so. Thank you very much.